Good morning to one and all. Myself Vandana Chaudhary, Head of Department of Computer Science and Coordinator of this national level webinar based on innovative research in computer science and paper writing skills. Welcome you all on behalf of Srimati Gigi Khadse College, Muktainagar. Friends, as we all know, everyone is facing a lot of problems due to COVID-19 pandemic. I wish all of you are safe and healthy. The objective behind organizing this webinar is to utilize the time for learning the new opportunities in the area of image processing, natural language processing and data science and artificial intelligence, which is useful for the researcher. In this webinar, we also focuses on how to write a good research paper in terms of publishing the papers in reputed journals or conference. In this webinar, we have arranged the invited talk of dynamic resource persons from KBC North Maharashtra University Jalgaon, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad and from Sant Gadge Baba University Amravati University. I hope all the participants are benefited by attending this webinar. So I request all the participants to attend the webinar. I request Honorable Principal of our college, Mr. V.R. Patil Sir, to give welcome address.
Good morning, all of you, respected dignitaries, and all the participants. I warmly welcome you in today's webinar on innovative research in computer science and paper writing skills. This is a computer era where computers have gained a summit in every single field. There is a stark difference if we look at the world now and 10 to 15 years back. By the entry of computers, our today's world has become faster, efficient, and impeccable. Therefore, today's webinar is organized with the central idea that the study of computer, its uses, and the research being done in it has become a very important field today. I believe thoughtfully insight shared during this webinar would definitely help to you all. Our institute, Srimati Gigi Khadse College, located in small town in Jalgaon district, is doing well despite many limitations. Our college has received B+ grade in re-accreditation from NAAC. Muktainagar Taluka Education Society's chairman, Mrs. Rohinitai Khadse Khevalkar, secretary, Dr. C.S. Chaudhary, and all the other board of directors, with their guidance and our inspiration, Honorable Mr. Eknath Rao Khadse, I am proud to say that the college is really doing well. The computer science department of our college is very progressive, and about 200 graduate and postgraduate students are studying in this discipline. Honest and conscientious faculty, along with well-equipped computer laboratories, achieving great height. Thus, many of our students have held good ranking at the university merit list. I again congratulate all the participants for joining this webinar and believe that you will get fruitful knowledge from this. Thanking you all participants and wish you a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Now, I request Honorable Mrs. Rohinitai Khadse Khevalkar, Chairman of Muktainagar Taluka Education Society, please guide us for this.
Hello everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all at the inaugural function of 2 days national webinar being organized by the Department of Computer Science of our college, Srimati Gigi Khadse from Muktainagar district, Jalgaon. I take this opportunity to welcome all the resource persons, the registrar of Kavitri Bainabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Dr. B.V. Pawar, and the delegates from all over the country. I have been told that the participants are from out of Maharashtra, which is a matter of pride for our institution, which is located in the remote corner of Jalgaon district. Friends, in the present scenario, the COVID-19 has taught us many new lessons. No field of knowledge has remained untouched with this pandemic. More than ever, people have felt the need of media and technology during this pandemic, especially in educational and research field. Like any other field, computer science is overgrowing and enlarging subject. Today, when the society is divided between the two classes, those who have everything and those who don't have. To bridge the gap between the two, we need to take the help of technology. We need to think of the new ways to reach to the commonest of the common and the poorest of the poor. If we succeed in reaching to the last person of the society, then the real meaning of progress and research will make a sense of to the society. In the country like India, at one hand, we have to cope up with the global changing technology, and at the other, we have to think of the last person of the society. Today's webinar will provide an opportunity to the scholars and researchers to ponder over various issues related to the research in computer science. Further, like any other research of computer science also needs a methodology to be presented and made understood to others. I hope the deliberation made during these 2 days will prove fulfill and give some concrete suggestions to face the post-pandemic situation. I wish you all the very best for your career and future. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Jai Maharashtra.
Now, I feel very much honored to be introduced Professor Dr. B.V. Pawar Sir, Officiating Registrar of KBC, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. We have known him since we entered the computer science field as student. He has worked as director of the School of Computer Sciences, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, and is popularly known as the first PhD holder in computer science in our NMU curriculum. With the graduation from engineering, he has done his master in computer science and has joined this university since its foundation and contributed in the development of university by playing important role in various capacities. He has also contributed in teaching as well as in research, having 30 years of teaching experience and have guided 13 students for PhD. Presently, 9 students are pursuing the PhD under his able guidance. He has published more than 79 papers in reputed national and international journals and 113 papers in conference. He has completed 4 research projects under UGC DIP of around 90 lakhs. Sir has received recognition for the financial assistance from UGC under SAP DRS of a total amount of more than 1 crore. He has also worked as Dean Faculty of Science during 2011 and 15. Now I request Honorable Dr. B.V. Pawar Sir, please give the inaugural speech. Thank you.
Friends, very good morning to all of you. I am delighted to be here at the inaugural function of the 2 days national webinar on innovative research in computer science and paper writing skills, organized at G.G. Khadse College, Muktai Nagar this morning. At the outset, I must compliment the patron of this webinar and the president of Khadse College, Advocate Rohini Khadse Khevalkar, the principal Vihar Patil, the conveners and staff members, Mrs. Vandana Chaudhary, Mrs. Seema Rane, Dr. Ranjana Jhinjore and Abhishek Patil, and the entire organizing team at this particular college for envisioning a very relevant theme for this webinar. I must also express my deepest appreciation to the research fraternity present here. Webinars such as this bring all of us together, giving an opportunity by providing a platform to share and express the research among ourselves. The speakers invited for delivering their invited talk are chosen and they are relevant to the topics well aligned with the theme of this particular national webinar. As per the information given by the organizers, Professor R.J. Ramteke, Dr. Praveen Yennavar and Dr. Varsha Pathak, they will be delivering their talks on image processing, data science and AI and NLP. All these are the recent research areas in computer science and many research opportunities are available in these fields. I am sure that the speakers will reveal some recent developments for the speculation of the research aspirant. Writing a good research paper is a special skill that every researcher has to develop, and whatever research done by the researchers must be published in the reputed national and international journals. Therefore, all the participants must attend the talk delivered by Dr. Chitra Dhole, who is going to talk on how to write a research paper, and all are directed to follow the guidelines given by the speaker for writing the research articles. The Kavaitri Bainabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, has always encouraged the research in various fields and subjects. The UGC has given recognition to the School of Computer Science under SAP DRS scheme, and they have identified the 3 research thrust areas, namely natural language processing, image processing and information retrieval. And through this particular scheme, UGC has given us a grant more than 1 crore for carrying out the research in these thrust areas. Because of this particular recognition to the School of Computer Sciences by the UGC as SAP DRS school, the most of the researchers, they are doing their doctoral work in these particular areas itself. I understand from the organizers that more than 300 participants they have enrolled for this webinar from the various cities of Maharashtra and other states also, which shows the interest of the computer science faculty in the research in computer science. I, as a inaugurator of this particular conference, I would like to advise all the students to share their experience, to share their research work with the resource persons and take maximum out of their speech, so that it will be easy for all of you to carry out the research in computer science. I once again congratulate the organizers for organizing this webinar under the COVID-19 circumstances, so that the participants and the researchers can attend such types of webinar from home itself. As a inaugurator of this particular conference, I declare that this particular webinar is inaugurated and open. I give best wishes to all the participants for their future career, and all the best for the organizers for the successful organizing this particular webinar. Finally, I would like to appeal all the participants that stay home, stay safe under this particular COVID-19, so that it will help the nation to fight the COVID-19. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir, for the inauguration of this national level webinar on innovative research in computer science and paper writing skills. Now, I request Dr. Ranjana Jhinjore ma'am to introduce our speaker. Thank you.